Good morning, students. Continuing with the topic of AP, I hope that you are able to understand whatever we have done till today. So now, continuing with the different kind of a sums of a AP, where sum is given and we have to find the n. The question is how many terms means n of AP 9, 17, 25 must be taken to give a sum of 636. How many terms? That means n we have to find. A is 9, D is 17 minus 8 is equal to 17 minus 9 is equal to 8. So sum is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 d is equal to 636, and we have to find a is given 2 into 9 plus n minus 1 8 is equal to 636. So n into 18 plus 8n minus 8 is equal to 636. N by 2 into 10 plus 8n is equal to 636. So n by 2 is common, it is 5n plus 5 plus 4n, 5 plus 4n is equal to 636. This 2 is cancelled, so it is 4n square plus 5n minus 636 is equal to 0. Now we have to do the splitting of middle term. Splitting of middle term will do 636 is to 318 to 154, 159, 353, right? And we have 4 also. So 8 6 48. So factor will be 4n square plus 53n minus 48n 636 is equal to 0. Common is nothing, n is common. 4n plus 53 minus common is 16, I suppose. 16. So it will be 3n 4n, common is 3 is common, so it will be 16n. 16 is common. 16 is common. I'm really sorry. 16 is common. 4n plus 53 is equal to 0. So this is 4n plus 53, and n minus 16 is equal to 0. N is equal to minus 53 by 4, which is not possible, rejected. So n is equal to 16, as n is equal to 12. So 12 was common. 12. So 12 is the right answer. Second question is, find the sum of 51st term. Find the sum of 51st term whose second and third term. Second term is 14 and third term is 18. So very simple. So a plus second term d is equal to 14 and a plus 2d is equal to 18. So minus minus minus, d minus d is equal to minus 4, d is equal to 4, a plus 4 is equal to 14, a is equal to 10. Now you have to find what the 51st term, S51, 51 by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d, 51 by 2 into 2 into 10 plus 51 minus 1, and d is 4, 51 into 2 into 20 plus 200. So 51 by 2 into 220 is 110. So 110 into 51 is equal to 5610. That is our answer. Third, term sum is, if an is equal to 3 plus 4n, find sum of 15 terms. So an means nth term. So it's very easy. You can find the series accordingly and get the answer, or you can find d. So d is, no need of d, you find series. A1 is 3 plus 4 into 1, 7. A2 is 3 plus 4 into 2, 8 and 3, 11. A3 is equal to 3 plus 4 into 3, 12, 3, 15. So series is 7, 11 and 15. So A is 7, D is 4. We have to find N is 15, S15. S15 is equal to 15 by 2, 2A into 15 minus 1 into D. 15 by 2 into 14 plus 14 into 4, 56. 15 by 2 into 70, 35. 15 fives are 525. So question number 4. Question number 4 is, find the sum of first positive 40 number divisible by 60. Find sum of first 40 integers positive divisible by 6. It's very easy. 40 divisible by 6. First will be 6, then 12, and keep on going. A is 6, D is 12, N is 40. So n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. So n is 40 by 2 into 2 into 6 plus n, 40 minus 1 into 6, 20 into 12 plus 39 into 6, 20 into 41 into 6. So this will be 41 into 6, 6 and 2, 9 to 4, 4, 9 to 0. A contractor gave the job of a contract was given to a contractor to complete the job in a certain days. If there is a delay, then there is a fine for 200 for first day, 250 for second day, 300 for third day, and it keep on increasing by 50 rupees every preceding day. if there is delay for 30 days, find how much contractor has to pay as fine. There is a fine in delay of the construction, 200 rupees fine if there is a delay of 1 day, 250 for second day, 300 for third day, and there is a delay of 50 rupees every day. If there is a delay for the 30 days, find how much he has to pay for 30 days. The first day he has to pay 200, then 250, then 300. So A is 200, D is 50, N is 30. So N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1D. So N is 30 by 2 into 2 into 200 plus 30 minus 1 into delay is 50 rupees. So 15 into 400 plus 29 into 50, 15 into 400 plus 50, so 15 into 1850, so it will be 27,550. A spiral is made of a successive semicircles. This is one semicircle, this is second and third and semicircles. ठीक है जी, semicircles with the radius 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2.5 centimeter. Find the length of wire to make the spiral. Length of wire such a spiral made up 13 semicircles. Find the length of the spiral. So first semicircle, if this is a semicircle, spiral is made of this is what, pi r, then 2 pi r, then 3 pi r, right? So sum is S13 is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1d. Here a is pi r, d is 2 pi r minus pi r, which is also equal to pi r, right? N 13 by 2 plus 2 into pi r plus n 13 minus 2 into pi r. So 13 by 2 into 2 pi r plus 12 pi r. So 13 into 2 into 14 pi r. This is cancelled. So 7, 13 into 7 into 22 by 7 into r. Radius, the first was 0.5, so 1 by 2. 0.5 means 1 by 2. This is cancelled, this is cancelled, 11. 13 into 11, which is equal to 143 centimeter of wire is required to make the spiral. Next sum. Fifth sum is pth term of AP is 1 by Q. Pth term is 1 by Q. Qth term is 1 by P. Find the sum of PQ term. So pth term means A plus P minus 1 D is equal to 1 by Q. A plus Q minus 1 D is equal to 1 by P. As we do the simultaneous linear equation, solve it and find the value of A and D. P minus 1 minus Q plus 1 D is equal to 1 by Q minus 1 by P. This is cancelled. P minus Q D is equal to LCM is PQ. P minus Q, again this is cancelled. D is equal to 1 by PQ. This is D. We'll substitute A plus P minus 1. D is 1 by PQ is equal to 1 by Q. A is equal to 1 by Q minus P minus 1 by PQ. Again LCM is PQ. This is P minus P plus 1. It is 1 by PQ. This is A. We have to find the sum of PQ. Sum of PQ will be P by Q by 2, 2A plus PQ minus 1 into D. So PQ by 2 into 2 into 1 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 upon D is 1 by PQ is equal to PQ by 2, 2 by PQ plus PQ minus 1 by PQ. So PQ by 2 LCM will be PQ. This is 2 plus PQ minus 1, right? So it will be PQ into 2 into PQ plus 1 by PQ. This is also cancelled. So answer is 1 by PQ plus 1. So that is all.